how to hide and unhide apps on your Android phone using the built-in privacy settings. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Tap Hide Apps. If prompted, verify your identity using your fingerprint, PIN, or password. Now you'll see a list of installed apps. Simply turn on the toggle next to the app you want to hide. The selected app will no longer appear on your home screen or in the app drawer, helping keep your apps more private. Then tap Done. The app will immediately reappear in the app drawer and home screen. If you don't see the Hide Apps option on your phone, use the Settings search bar and search for Hide Apps. On some Android versions, this feature may be located under Privacy Protection or work together with App Lock, depending on your software version. And that's it. That's how you can easily hide and unhide apps on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick Android tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.